Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use HubSpot for lead generation, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin using HubSpot for lead generation, first, log into your HubSpot account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Marketing tab in the main menu. Hover over Marketing and select Lead Capture from the drop-down menu. In the Lead Capture section, you'll find several options including forms, pop-ups, and other tools. Start by clicking on Forms to create a new lead capture form. Select Create Form to begin designing your form. You will be presented with different templates. Choose one that fits your needs. After selecting a template, customize the fields according to the information you want to collect. Add fields like name, email, and company to gather essential lead information. Once you are satisfied with the form, proceed to the Options tab. In the Options tab, set up notifications for new leads by entering email addresses. Also, determine where you want new leads to be stored in your HubSpot CRM. Next, save your form and review the settings to ensure everything is correct. After saving, you will receive a code snippet to embed the form on your website. Copy this code and paste it into the HTML of the page where you want the form to appear. Once the form is live, you can start collecting leads directly from your website. To further enhance lead generation, consider using HubSpot's pop-up forms. Return to the Lead Capture section and select Pop-up Forms. Click on Create Pop-up Form and choose a type that suits your audience. Customize the message and design to capture attention effectively. Set triggers for the pop-up, deciding when it should appear to visitors. After finalizing your pop-up settings, save and publish the form. With both forms and pop-ups in place, monitor their performance regularly. Return to the dashboard and navigate to reports to analyze lead generation metrics. This will help you assess the effectiveness of your campaigns and make necessary adjustments. Finally, regularly engage with your new leads through email marketing campaigns. Using HubSpot's tools, you can nurture these leads and guide them through the sales funnel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.